All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and today I'm be doing a skin review from the company Sopiguard for my Google Pixel 4 XL that you see here in front of you. So the skins that I love getting from them vary because they make a ton of different skins for different phones, Nintendo Switches, you name it, iPads, whatever, but they're very affordable and they ship very quickly. They ship out of California. I usually get them in about 3 days, being in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. So very fast shipping. So the skin that I'm gonna be doing today is going to be the forged carbon that you see here in front of you. I really love this color of the skins. As you can see, it's the back only. You got the Google cutout logo there, a camera bump there, or as far as the camera bump sticker goes as well. So what I'm gonna be doing is slapping that on here. Now with the skin, you do get, so this here comes with them. So it's an install guide that you can go to their website on, and then if you want to buy it on their website, you can apply Sopiguard's coupon code there and get 10% off. Or you can follow my affiliate link down in the description to get it on Amazon, and you would be supporting my channel if you did, so I appreciate that. You also get an alcohol wipe to wipe down the phone, and then as usual, you do get the microfiber towel with the Sopiguard logo on there. So let's go ahead and dive in and get this done. So first things first is you're gonna want to get this sterile wipe here and just wipe the whole back down. And then use the supplied microfiber towel to just get it nice and wiped down and dried. Okay, easy enough. All right, so what I like to do is stick it about halfway on here, so that way it's a little bit easier to apply on the phone itself. And what you're trying to do is match up the cutout for the camera bump on here. Okay, and once you have that kind of lined up how you want it, then you can kind of just start working your way down, peel this back, so that way now the bottom of the skin is exposed, and you're just gonna kind of work it down. And once you have it nicely on the edges installed and everything, you should probably use a blow dryer to get some of the bubbles out, but I actually got real lucky and it went on pretty flawlessly without any issues. So the edges match up very nicely. The G's cut out so you can see it shining through there with the light hitting it in a certain angle. The camera bump is nicely, precisely cut out around it. It just looks really good. And on top of that, it does add a little bit of texture to the back now, so that way it's not so slippery having that glass back. So there we have it. Now just for fun, let's go ahead and put on the camera bump. And there we have it. So now the whole entire back of the phone is covered with this forged carbon. So for $8.99 guys, this is a great investment if you're someone that likes to rock your phone naked without a case. So this gives you a little bit added grip. It protects that back from getting scratched if you put it back down on different types of surfaces. Obviously I wouldn't recommend putting it on like super rough edges or concrete and stuff like that, but like tabletops, things like that, this is going to be perfect. But like I said, it just gives the whole phone a new look. So there you have it guys, black forged carbon on a Google Pixel 4 XL. Hit that like button, comment down below, let me know if you're rocking a Sopiguard skin. If you are, what Sopiguard skin are you using? And do please subscribe guys, trying to grow this channel for 2021. So let's do big things together. So y'all be safe out there, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.